Hi guys, it's Simon Crack from KlipZi.com, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this new free Sora 2 video prompt generator. So I needed a tool to help me craft viral video prompts. So this will do it for any kind of video. Great for viral videos, like I say, but literally if you've got an idea, you can just describe your idea, and what it does, it will add context, it will add all the things that AI needs in terms of a prompt to make the video good. We all know that if you put rubbish into AI, you get rubbish out. So this just helps you really craft your prompt. So it's free, and you can use it anonymously, 3 generations per day. If you sign up for free, just enter your email address, then you get 2 generations per day. Yeah, that should be plenty for your ideas, and you can earn more, which I'll show you soon. So what I'm going to do is log in and use my logged in account. So I'll go back to home. So what you can do is you've got 2 options here. If you've already got an idea, you can describe what your idea is. So it can just be a simple idea like a dog stealing pizza caught on CCTV, and then what you can do is change the tone of it and then hit generate viral prompt. So I will do a dog riding, I can't spell, a dog riding a bike eating pizza, hyper realistic. So I don't have to say much more than that. I'll probably choose realistic, and then I'm going to hit generate viral prompt. So it's going to come up with the all the bells and whistles that you need. Obviously you can just copy and paste this straight into Sora 2, or you can use KlipZi, which I'll show in a minute. So this is the prompt, so you can copy that prompt. It also gives you the social media hook, so you can use for your like the red bar hook for when people scroll. And then you've got your description you can type in there, and you've got all the hashtags, so everything's there for you. So yeah, you can literally copy the prompt, or you can click open in KlipZi to generate the video. We'll do that in the other video where I show you through KlipZi. We're not going to do that now because I want to show you a little bit more with this tool. Now if I go back and I go to give me ideas, now maybe you haven't got an idea at all what to do, so let's say we'll go for horror. It's going to come up with 3 ideas for you in a couple of seconds. FaceTime your best friend midnight, she answers, but there's a terrifying version of you in the background grinning. What if your reflection moved first? Film yourself in front of the bathroom mirror. Ever heard of midnight voice fill? Record yourself. Right, so there's like 3 ideas. If you like one of them, you can hit the prompt. If you don't, you can hit generate 3 more ideas, and it'll give you some more. I'm going to go for this weird reflection one. I think that sounds interesting, so I'll generate this prompt, and just in a couple of seconds it will give me the full prompt. And I can again copy the prompt and paste it into Sora 2 or KlipZi, and it's giving me all the social media bits and pieces. Now if you sign up, you also get a prompt history. If you're anonymous, you don't, so it's worth signing up. You can then go into your prompts, and they'll all be saved here in case you ever need to refer back to them. You can favorite them. You can filter by category, time made, so you can search through them, so that's quite handy to have if you sign up. Also I want to show you the refer and earn. So the refer and earn section is basically you can get more bonus credits by referring friends. So if you copy your referral link and you share it in social media, in emails, obviously don't spam it, but say to your friends, so this is a cool Sora video prompts app. This works on mobile and web. So you can just share that link, and if they sign up, you get 10 credits, they get 10 credits, and there's actually a sort of game system where you can refer a bunch more friends and you get bonus generations, and if you share it to 30 people, you can just use this app for life sort of thing. So I think that's everything. So yeah, if you've got an idea, you can describe your idea, and if you don't, you can use this to generate. And there's one other thing I didn't show you. Obviously these are categories. If you just want to go give me anything, you want to be super fast, hit viral mode, and that's just going to spit out just some random ideas that you might find interesting. So let's have a look, see what we get. you're the thief, watches a regular day, turns wild, the victim catches you red-handed but does something totally unexpected. CCTV, caught on CCTV, the pet secretly rules the house while humans are away. That's quite good. So yeah, so this is how it works. Say you don't like any of them, 3 more ideas, it will give you really fast. So the idea was to create this tool really for myself, for creating viral videos, and then I thought I may as well share it with other people that would find it useful. So I hope you found this video useful. If you find any glitches with it, obviously, any bugs, please report them. But I'll speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.